Hello and thanks for joining me for our wrap of our fourth quarter of 2024 and for 2024 as a whole. The Reserve Bank kept interest rates on hold throughout this year, despite most experts indicating we would get a cash rate drop in the second half of the year. And even as we speak, the major banks are split on the future of cash rates, with two saying we will get a cash rate drop, but not until the second half of this year, and two saying in the first half. In 2024, our Knox market was down around 4% for houses, but units, including townhouses, in most Knox suburbs saw small good gains, with just a couple of suburbs seeing losses above 5% in the unit median price. I think we are likely to see a good growth in Knox over the next year. Investors from Sydney are starting to see much better value in the investor range, 800,000 to 1.2 million, with yields starting to look more attractive in Melbourne than in the Sydney market. Perth, Adelaide and Brisbane markets have seen growth of between 10 to 20% over 2024, largely driven by our local investors selling up and looking for better conditions in those states that don't impose a COVID levy or higher land tax for investors. Those elevated markers are driving many investors in Sydney back to Melbourne, where rental yields are now more attractive as a result of the correction in our market. Last year, our Network One team continued to dominate the Knox market with 816 sales throughout the Knox community, which is 38.6% of market share. Our auction clearance rate for calendar year 2024 is an impressive 84.36%, selling 680 of 846 homes listed on or before auction date, which is well above the industry average across Victoria. The number of homes coming on to the market in December did slow, in line with previous seasonal activity. However, we have seen vendors looking to launch properties early this year, with good numbers coming to the market already in January. Some of our clients are choosing to launch sooner, while the competition against their home is holding off their launch. Despite cash rates remaining on hold and the cost of living remaining high, demand for housing remains strong in Knox. Australians are more determined than ever to get their foot in the door of home ownership. It's very competitive and demand is keeping prices stable leading into 2025. My highlight sale for quarter four of 2024 was 39 Barina Avenue, Rowville, a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 4-garage, single story with a 12 kilowatt solar electricity system and al fresco overlooking the pool and spa areas. Renovated kitchen and bathrooms on 1295 square metres in the Timbertop estate. Encouragingly, inspection numbers continue to be impressive at our Wantirna office, and we have many buyers on our database still looking. Last week we met 254 buyers looking for homes across Knox, and we have a long list of keen buyers that we were able to introduce to your home to see if they will pay to your expectation or greater. My recommendation is that if you have been considering a sale of your home in recent times, there is an opportunity available right now for sellers to take advantage of the current scenario while demand is holding. If you're considering a sale in the near future or even renovating your home for future sale, please feel welcome to call me, as I would love to share some advice with you before you make any investment. I can tell you what the local trends are and how you can get the best return on your investment. Feel welcome to get in touch soon and have a great day.